Right, hello once again folks. Back out here at the creek today with CZ. He's putting a worm on a hook. Gonna throw it out with a bobber and see if we catch anything on that. Nice, all right, I dig it, I dig it. Hopefully it'll work for us. Let's see.
Big old fat hybrid crappie bass.
Yeah, that sounds right. Pretty sure that's normal. And all right, doubled up.
Hey, bass.
Oh, he lost it. Well,
is that a bass?
no, I think it was a green sunfish.
Oh, okay.
It was a chunky one though. Heck yeah. Ouchies. There's mine. Not a bad little fish. Pretty colors. Oh yeah. Not today. Uh-oh. Whee! Come on, fishy, fishy. I know you're over there. Uh-oh. You stuck in that other stuff now? There you go. You got it.
Wasn't so bad.
All right. Well, we're gonna make our way down to the pond here eventually and try out the live worms and see what happens over there. So we'll be back, I guess. Got another one. Heck yeah. Little green sunfish, I'll take it. So far, not bad. Corey said he caught, what, 3 before I got here?
3, yeah.
So,
About 5 minutes.
heck yeah. You know, when we first got to this spot, he threw a worm on a hook on a bobber and tossed it out. And I mean, within like 5 seconds, he was reeling a fish in on it. So hopefully the worms will work really well out there at the pond. I guess we're gonna find out when we get over there. Come on, fishy, fishy. Little tiny fella. Man, we got a bunch of rain the other day. I can't hold that fish right now, I look goofy. Got a bunch of rain the other day. So the water level out here is up probably 2 feet from where it normally is, which is crazy because we did not get 2 feet of rain, but it's way up from where it normally is. So it was kind of a trip to get down here. We had to go through the mud and the water was a lot deeper than normal, so we had to be a little more careful going through, and I'm just out of shape. That's all there is to it. Had a fun time getting down here. But we made it. We're gonna throw these lures around for a minute, see if we catch anything on them. And then we're probably gonna throw a worm on a hook and throw that out on a bobber and just let it sit for a bit, see what happens.
There was something. That one ran all the way
Oh yeah.
back to me.
Ooh, had a bite, had a bite. Dang it, come on. I am a little concerned. There's a couple of wasps flying around us over here. I'm not 100% sure if they have a nest around here or what, but slightly concerning when they fly 2 feet away from your face. Oh, hey. Oh, I had him for a second. I think it was a bluegill. He's just grabbing a hold of the tail.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Man, I am not liking all these wasps. Not a fan. Nice, chunky fish. Come on, give me my hook back. Heck yeah. Huh?
I'll let you go first.
Oh, okay. Oh, that was a bite, but didn't hook him. Ooh, there we go. Little fella. Are you seeing these wasps, Corey? Is it just me? Am I crazy? Oh gosh, well, there was a fish. Now he's elsewhere. Off he goes. Yeah, he didn't want to be a part of this. He's camera shy. Come on, fishy, fishy. Ooh, I had a bite. Hey, he came back for it. I'm not even getting them like over there by the concrete, dude. I'm getting them like 10 feet away from me. Well, I guess, let's see if we can show the camera. Nope, he wants to go back into the water. Man, my hand is filthy after I slipped earlier. Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I slipped in the mud trying to come up the side of the hill over there. Luckily, I was able to catch myself. I didn't hurt nothing, didn't break nothing. Everything was all right, but it scared me. Was not ready for it, that's for sure. Missed another one.
I'm getting a bite every time.
Look, right here there's two wasps. I don't know if y'all can even see those on the camera. You see them, Corey? One right there, there he goes flying. There's another one right there. I guess. I don't know, I'm gonna leave them alone and hopefully they'll leave me alone. I don't feel like getting stung by a wasp while I'm out here trying to catch fish. Oh my gosh. Who do you think you are, little dude? What is this guy doing? Oh, of course. Now he's just chilling. This is interesting, to say the least. Ooh, I found it. Yeah, I got it.
I hooked it a little bit ago, and I'm like, this is kind of, hopefully I get.
I got off of it. We're good.
That's kind of what he keeps doing to me.